Hey, what's up? This is BL Lewis with Position 1 Profits. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through some of the new features and functionality that's been added to Position 1 Profiler since its release. So we've done several updates, and the first couple of updates have been pretty much under the hood, so it's not something that you would have noticed. But in the latest releases, which is version 1.04 and the latest one out today, version 1.05, we've added some cool new features that people have asked for and that was already on the roadmap to be added already. So I'll just walk you through some of those features so that you can begin taking advantage of them right away. So the first one is pretty simple. It just gives you the ability to rename collections. I know we've run across this as well ourselves, where we go in and we create a collection, and then afterwards we kind of change our mind and want to rename the collection. But the only way to do that previously was to delete the collection and kind of start over. But then you lose all your domains, all your reports. So now you have the ability to come here and click edit. And then if you wanted to, I could change case study to case studies, for example. Click edit collection. And now I've renamed the collection without losing any of the domain data or any of the reports that's inside this collection. We also have the same functionality with the domain. So for example, if I wanted to change this domain for whatever reason, or there was a typo or something wrong, or I had some reports in there, now I can click edit here and I can change this domain again without impacting any reports or anything that's inside, but it'd be a little bit more organized or like you want it. Okay. One feature that we've added in addition is some new functionality for AHREFS paid users. So if you have a paid subscription to AHREFS, we've added some additional features and benefits for you. So when you go to your data source and you select AHREFS, you'll notice that now there's a non-subscription users option, which is the option you should use if you don't have a paid subscription. But if you do, you want to select this new option for paid subscription users. And what that's going to give you is access to a new link velocity report that was not available previously for AHREFS report, and it's also going to give you a date filter. Okay, so that's pretty cool now for AHREFS users. With a paid subscription, they'll have some additional functionality within the plugin. Stepping back a little bit, if we go inside a report now, you now have the ability to export out your links. Okay, so this again was already on the roadmap, but we've had several people inquire about it, and we're happy to announce that it's been released. Okay, so once you go inside a report, if you scroll down, you'll see this new export links option here. Okay, so what you can do there is you can filter your reports any way that you want. So let's say, for example, you just want to export a list of blogs that's in a report, or dead links, or press release, or whatever. You can configure this filter however you want to filter just those links. Okay, now the next thing that you can do is you can come down here and also say which of these columns or which of this data you want in the report. So if we click the customize table data, let's say you just want the URLs for the report. You can uncheck all of these here and just leave title and URL, and what it's going to do is it's just going to extract a list of URLs. So we'll just do customize columns and it'll show this. Okay, and then you're just going to hit the export links button, and then it'll generate a CSV file, and you can download that and store it wherever you want. And it's only going to have the data that it's only going to show the data that was filtered out, as well as it's only going to show the rows of information that was available in only the rows of information that you selected in this column here. Okay, so those are the new features and functions that we've added since the release of the plugin. We still have a lot more features and functionality on the way, but wanted to very happy to get this out to you guys, because we did have a couple of people ask and wanting this functionality in the plugin. All right, so enjoy those new features, and I'll come back to you once we have some more things added, because we still have a lot on the roadmap for the plugin. So once we have those new features added, I'll create more videos to show you how to utilize that new functionality. All right, take care.